Hola jóvenes, pues vamos a ver este video que es un repaso de un tema que tú ya has visto desde secundaria.
Hello, my name is Ronnie.
Vamos a dejar que hable la maestra y al mismo tiempo te voy a ir explicando lo que ella va diciendo. Ok, recuerda que esto es algo básico, se supone que ya lo dominas, pero no importa, lo vamos a ver como parte de nuestra primer parcial. Ok, recuerda que este apunte que ella está explicando lo vas a tomar en tu libreta con colores, de manera limpia y ordenada, como evidencia de trabajo y también para que lo estudies y puedas hacer los ejercicios que te voy a pedir que contestes en Classroom. Ok, bien, vamos a escucharla y voy haciendo pausas.
And I'm going to teach you about a very important basic verb in English. This is really, really good if it's the first verb you ever learn in English, or if you have learned English before and are reviewing your English lessons. I know also you may think, I don't need this. This is easy. I am very surprised the number of people who are really, really advanced English speakers who make mistakes using to be. So, I will help you to learn it or to review it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you the positive, the negative, and also the question form.
Bien, la maestra nos está diciendo que es muy importante aprender este verbo. Aunque parezca muy sencillo, hay mucha gente que aunque domina el inglés, tiene muchos errores en él, en su manejo. Por lo tanto, vamos a ver o a recordar cómo se hace la conjugación del verbo to be en forma afirmativa, negativa e interrogativa. Ok, recuerda que el verbo to be, ser o estar, es un verbo básico para aprender a hablar inglés o por lo menos a entenderlo. Ok, vamos a entonces checar cuál es la estructura afirmativa del verbo to be.
Just to help you out. So, the first thing we have to do is go through the positive. We say,
Ok, la forma afirmativa es
I am.
I am.
Or you can also say or write, I'm. It's the same thing.
Es la contracción de
With
I am.
he, and this is a man or a boy, she, who's a girl or a woman, and it. We have to use is. Now, it is a singular noun, so that means one of something that is not a person. For example, my marker, I can say it. It is red. Okay? When we say he is, or she is, or it is, we can shorten it and we can say he's, she's, or it's. Again, these.
Ok, nos acaba de decir entonces que he va con is, que sería él es, y la contracción es his. He, apóstrofe s, she is o she's, apóstrofe s para hacer la contracción. It is, it's. Nos decía que it es un sustantivo singular. En este caso ella nos mostró un marcador.
Are the shortened versions. When we use you, we, and they,
cuando usamos you, we y they, tenemos que usar are. You, o sea, tú.
We,
nosotros o nosotras.
Myself, and
yo y otra persona u otras personas. Al menos dos personas, incluyéndote a ti. They es plural para gente, para objetos. Puede ser tú también. Pueden ser otras personas que no eres tú.
The other meaning we use for they, I told you that it is for a singular
It
noun.
Es para un sustantivo singular.
We also use they
y they
for
es para
plural noun. nouns.
Sustantivos plurales.
So if the noun is plural, it's going to have an S on the end. For example, I told you that it is red for one marker.
Si estamos hablando de dos objetos plurales, tenemos que ponerle S al objeto.
They are black and red. So one is it, two or more are they.
Dos o más objetos es they y un objeto es it. También podemos hacer la contracción. En vez de escribir you are,
we say
your. En vez de escribir we are, la contracción sería we're. Y en vez de are, la contracción sería
and there. Okay? We're going to go on to the negative form of these. So this is positive, and as you can tell here, this is negative. So
ahora vamos a la forma negativa.
I am or I'm. What we're going to do with the negative is we're only going to add one word, and it is the same for all of the subjects. To make it negative, we'll put not.
Ahora para hacer el negativo
for this one, we're
agregamos
going to
not.
write I'm not.
Ahora sería
Or you
I'm
can say,
not.
I
Yo
am
no soy
not.
o yo no
It
estoy.
doesn't matter.
I am
Normally,
not.
when we speak English, we would say I am not. For he, she, and it, all we're doing is adding not with is. So I'm going to
Para
write
he, she, it, vamos a agregar ahora he
is not.
is not.
Or you can say
O la contracción que es
she isn't.
she isn't.
These two are
Is
exactly
not
the
o
same.
isn't
And then
son
you
lo
say
mismo.
it
It
isn't or it is not.
es lo mismo.
And the
It
last
isn't
three
o
are
it is not. Lo mismo para
you
you.
are not.
You are not. Tú no eres. O ustedes no
Or
son
We
también.
can say we are not.
We are not.
Or
Nosotros no
we
somos. O no estamos.
Aren't. I can say they are not or they aren't.
They are not or they
If
aren't.
it is difficult for you to say aren't or isn't, don't worry. Just if you want to try and start, you can practice saying he is not, she is not, I am not, you are not.
Ella comenta que si es difícil para ti pronunciar el isn't o el aren't, puedes hacerlo de la forma larga. She is not, they are not, we are not, they are not.
Then when you feel comfortable, you can change it and shorten it. It'll be easy once you practice a couple times.
Va a ser más
The
fácil
last
cuando
thing that you're going
practiques.
to want to
Bien, vamos a la forma
learn
ahora
are the question
interrogativa.
forms of these of to be verb. The first one we don't really use a lot in speaking, but we do use it when we talk to ourselves. Yes, you do. Or, as I like to say, your inner voice. A lot of people ask me, Ronnie, when will I ever become bilingual in English? One of the first ways that you are on the path to becoming bilingual is when you begin to think in English. So your inner voice or your thinkings, the language actually changes of how you think. This is a very good indication that you are slowly becoming bilingual. It takes time, so please do not think, oh my God, I don't want. Don't worry, it'll take a while. So, once you have done that,
Bien, ella está diciendo que no te preocupes si no aprendes muy rápidamente el inglés. Toma tiempo y práctica, así que no te espantes, es cuestión de practicar. Bien, vamos a ver la forma interrogativa.
you're going to start thinking to yourself, am I? Am I speaking English well?
Am I, que significaría en español estoy. Y ella preguntó, ¿estoy aprendiendo inglés? Ella dice, y es I am. Y ella contesta en forma afirmativa.
Yes, you are. When we use the question form, all we do very easily is we switch the verb and the
Cuando
subject.
escribimos la forma interrogativa, primero escribimos
If we
am,
switch
que es
the
el verbo
verb
to
and
be,
the
y después
subject,
el
he
sujeto.
is,
Observa cómo
changes
lo hará
to
otra vez ella. Is he.
is he. We also say, is she? Is it?
Ok, observa
It's very
entonces, como siempre
unusual
usamos
if
primero
we
el
would
verbo
start a
to be.
question with isn't it. We do say that sometimes, but it's not usual. What I want you to concentrate on is just the regular questions in the affirmative or in the positive. You are. Do you know the answer to that one or the question to that one? This one would be,
¿Cómo sería el interrogativo para los demás?
are you?
Are you?
We are would be,
Are we?
we? And plural noun, they are,
Are
would
they?
be, are they? One very important thing as well is when you're asking a
Una
question,
cosa muy
when
importante
you're
es que
writing the
cuando
question,
escribes en
you
forma
always need one
interrogativa,
of these beautiful things at the
siempre
end called a question mark.
necesitas poner
If
el
you
signo de
don't put a question
interrogación.
mark, it's
Si
wrong.
no pones
So
un
always
signo de
remember
interrogación, se
your
estará
beautiful
mal tu
question mark
oración.
at the end of every question. When you are speaking, the way that the listener knows you're asking a question is your voice.
Cuando lo hablas
Goes
en forma
up.
interrogativa es
For
porque
example,
el
I
que
would say,
escucha va a escuchar que
Is
subes el
she
tono de tu voz.
okay? My voice has to rise at the end so
Mi
that the
voz
listener
sube.
knows that
Y
I'm
el
asking a
escuchante
question.
sabe que estoy haciendo una
If
pregunta.
you have a question to ask me, go to ingvid.com and you can ask me. I hope you understand all of this. I am leaving. Bye.
Muy bien, jóvenes. Pues ahora sí, vamos a tomar nota de nuestro apunte.